Hey guys, Spencer with Rainforest here. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that you as a homeowner or even a business owner can save money on your utility bills. The easiest thing you can do to maintain your air conditioning system is to just replace the filters regularly. There are basically two different kinds of filters. There's pleated and non-pleated. What pleated means is that it basically just has more surface area. So step one when you're changing your filter is to get a ladder and make sure that you are within reach of where your filter needs to be changed. Once you get up on the ladder, open up these latches and drop it down, and be careful if the air conditioner is not running, that filter might just pop out. Pull out your filter and dispose of it as is required wherever you live. Really the main thing to think about when you're replacing the new filter into the grate is to make sure that the airflow indicator is pointing the right way. You're putting your filter in the return grill, which means that the air is flowing up and into it. So the arrow should be pointing up. Once the filter's in there, close the grate and make sure that all the latches are closed and that the grill is secured back in place. And once you're done with that, you are good to go. You're good for probably another 3 months. Like I said, in some places like Arizona, maybe a month. Make sure to like and follow for more tips on how to take care of your HVAC or plumbing systems. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.